Welcome to my channel. I am Simply Marvelous Ford. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have a unit that I bought. I can't remember where I got it from. And this unit has been on the YouTube for a while, and I'm just not getting to it. And it is Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace, wet lace. And we are going to get her. We're going to try her on. And I am just not getting to her. This is Miss Keshona in the number 350. It's a pretty color. I have not taken her out of the box. Just pretty. And these are all the different colors that you guys can get. Okay. Wet lace, hair loosen, lace wig. Customized. 100% hand tie, pre-plucked to create a realistic, natural, distant illusion hairline. Rare, well-crafted, soft Swiss lace from ear to ear with combs and adjustable straps for a secure fit. Undetectable, translucent Swiss lace for a seamless hairline. Natural parting right out of the box. This is Keshona 350. Here she is. So she does have your 2 combos. And we need to tip the lace. So I was going to let you all see what it looks like on my head for right now. Oh, this is pretty neat. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's not too tight. It's just perfect. So we're going to tin it. Let it dry. This is so pretty. You make her how you want it. Make her your own. And you don't have to wear baby hairs. I'm not going to wear baby hairs. I'm not going to do it. This is cute. Well, guys, this is short and simple. And you can get your hot tools if you want to lay this down a little bit. What do you guys think? Simple, short, and sweet. This is I'm going to turn around so you guys can sleep. Hey. So you guys tell me, what do you guys think? Would you buy it? I will buy it again because it's cute. It's simple, sweet, especially for the summer. Quick, throw on the go. Let's talk about it. Put your comments in the bottom. Let's talk about it. Like, comment, and subscribe so you all can be notified when there are new videos, so you all can be notified. Till next time, you guys, thank you all again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.